Look how thick that is. That is a fat pipe. Oh, the notes coming out of this thing is going to sound so good. So far the contents seem fairly simple. You can see it's pretty minimal. So we took out that mid pipe. You have the actual can, and then looks like the carbon fiber heat shield. So beautiful carbon fiber shield. I like how sleek that is. Clamp and some miscellaneous hardware. Okay, lastly, the actual can. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Check that out. What a piece of art. So it's a matte carbon fiber. It's going to play off really well with the KRT edition color. Whew, stunning. I'm probably going to remove this DB killer, but I may install it with it. Actually, no, I think I'm just going to knock it out. But yeah, I think we're going to get some noise on this bike. She deserves it. Stock exhaust.
There we go.
There we go.
There you go. Yay.
All right, so we're gonna measure both of them. Oh man! So the titanium mid pipe and the actual cannon for 5 pounds, which is less than
the.
I'm good. Thank you. Yeah.
Run.